The most obvious use of a for loop is a for each loop, but we can also adapt it to simpler situations. Sometimes you just simply want to repeat the exact same thing a certain number of times. In that case, the important thing is how many times. And we can use a for loop as long as we have a list with the right number of elements. Now, you could manufacture a list explicitly, but here the range function comes in very neatly. Here I have some code in the shell for I in range 10. The point is range 10 has 10 elements, so the loop will be repeated 10 times. Now in this case, if I want to do the exact same thing over and over, I don't care what variable is used to refer to the current item. I'm not going to use it, so something real simple like I is often used. And here I have an explicit thing to do, for instance, print hello. So if I now run this in the shell, we get hello 10 times. Here, it still wasn't really necessary to use a for loop because I was doing it a specific number of times. I could have actually written print hello that many times. On the other hand, if you don't know ahead of time how many times you want things to be repeated, then the range is really important. Here's this program, repeat2.py in the examples, where I input from the user a number of times to repeat. And then it's important that we have the range function, and the number that I read in here, I can put in the range function. Here we can run this quick. How many times to repeat? 15, and there we go. Definitely repetitious.